This is how to make your own protein powder at home, with just 4 healthy ingredients. The first ingredient is flaxseed, to provide us with about 6 grams of protein per ounce. Also, flax seeds provides additional plant-based fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. The second is roasted almond. 1 ounce of roasted almond will deliver 6 grams of protein. Number 3 is walnuts. 1 ounce of walnut will give us 4.3 grams of protein. And then, roasted peanuts. This peanuts provide us with a whopping 8 grams of protein in 1 ounce. Add these ingredients together for blending, to make a healthy homemade protein powder without any additives, allergens, and added sugar. This protein powder is a fine way of incorporating fiber, healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids, iron, magnesium, and other vitamins and minerals for your overall wellness, and it's effective for muscle building, hormonal balancing, and weight management, achieved through personalized homemade ingredients. Now, our protein powder is ready. You can mix this protein powder with a variety of liquids and foods, including smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, and baked goods, to enhance your protein intake. You can also mix this protein powder to your water, which is the simplest option for a quick protein shake without added calories. Subscribe now to keep learning how to improve your health naturally.